The GTA 26 is a versatile tool to have around the garden for pruning small branches, cutting firewood and kindling, and DIY tasks such as cutting timber. Featuring a 4-inch guide bar, it's capable of making up to 80 cuts of 4 cm diameter timber on a single charge of an AS2 battery. This battery also fits in other tools in the AS system of battery tools. If you have high branches that you need to prune in your garden, then look no further than the GTA 26 extension shaft. This new accessory converts your GTA 26 garden pruner into a pole pruner with a fixed length of 1.5 metres, providing plenty of length for pruning fruit trees, deadwood and high branches. To use the accessory, simply place your GTA 26 in the slot at the end of the extension shaft, then fasten and lock into place. Lift the extension shaft up to the branch you want to prune, pull the trigger and you're ready to go. No tools are needed to set up the pruner, and it's quick to switch between working at height or on the ground. But make sure you check for wildlife before starting work. The lightweight aluminium shaft and polymer housing combined with the GTA 26 provides a low weight of just 2.7 kilograms, so it's easy to control. The extension shaft also has a soft grip handle, a branch hook for removing twigs from the canopy, and a bend in the shaft for better handling during use. When using the GTA 26 extension shaft, we recommend wearing a helmet for protection when cutting above head height, goggles, gloves, and sturdy boots. When not using the extension shaft, our GTA 26 holster is really useful to keep the tool close at hand whilst working in the garden. To find out more information about the GTA 26 extension shaft, visit stihl.co.uk or your nearest STIHL approved dealer.